services, still guesting and servicing. That's what they're here to do. Service the guests. Not that kind of service. Pull your head out of the gutter. Not your mind. Just pull your head out of the gutter.
Oh, that's weird.
Gotta go chicken lunch. Go to the Big Chicken place. Oh my gosh. The humidity just fogged the camera lens up. Ow. All right, let's go get some chicken. Some extremely good station there.
Somebody dropped it. Ship card.
What are you gonna get? Have you decided yet? I think I'm just gonna go with the basic MDE, the most dominant ever Shaq sauce and pickles. And then they've got a condiment bar over there, so I think I'm gonna customize it. They've got morning breakfast.
But they have overtime too.
Oh, at 2? Oh, so they do breakfast. Oh no, 7 a.m. until 3. Okay, that's cool.
Thank you.
MDE and some pickles, please. We got Memphis barbecue, Shaq sauce, buffalo stuff. Then we got spicy pickles right there, so that's all. Ketchup, there we go. Ready? Yeah. There's no guy behind me, so I had to wait to get an empty one. The doors do this all the time. I'm getting sick of this. I mean, literally. You could go turn around and come back, and then the door would work. Fix your doors and put the elevators where they belong. You can't go on vacation like south of Georgia. So is this like the Windjammer? The new Windjammer? I want to eat outside. Well, we're not eating here. Well, you're too short to sit here. Is it just me once again, or is it screwed up? On the appetite, on the sides, they had the French fries, and then they had spicy pickles, so I'm thinking that it's a side that's like fried pickles. And then they had another thing that turned out it's not a side dish, it's just like a condiment.
Garnish, yeah.
But then that same slaw, that's the station.
At the bottom.
So the only real side they have is the fries. There was no other side.
I didn't see one.
They're the special spicy pickles that I thought were deep fried side dishes. Yeah. If you're a pickle connoisseur like me, it's basically the classic spicy pickles. Not the regular pickle.
Try it with no sauce.
Pickle the same they have it, guys. This is supposedly spicy coleslaw. Now that is good. Oh, you jumped in.
Heck yeah.
How is it? Just show me a big bite.
So good.
You do a Guy Fieri.
No, I'm not doing all that.
Did you add to it?
Nothing.
But that's the MDE, most dominant.
No, this is the Uncle Jerome. Nashville hot, lettuce, pickles.
Special sauce.
No, I didn't. Oh, mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Oh, I got some Shaq sauce. Thought we would try it.
Right.
I don't think it needs it. It's so good. Very good.
I might give it a shot
The
now.
Mardi Gras Theater, it is my day. Not only just our men and women who have served and sacrificed so much to keep our freedoms free, but anyone and everyone that wants to appreciate them with me as well. Come on down.
That's one of the things that's got all these events that where I'm just going to show up, pop in, pop out, you know.
Oh, your bun's falling.
Oh, my bun got a little soft from my ketchup I added on there for the bread. Uh-oh. Oh, that is a, It's messy. Was yours messy kind of juicy?
It's a little bit messy, but
Man, that's good.
I think yours has sauce on it, like extra sauce.
It has the Shaq sauce, and then I added barbecue sauce for it. I will be curious though. Excuse me. Have to have some privacy here.
Clean up your mess.
I thought this was gonna be like a Zaxby's or traditional sauce like this, like Raising Cane's. They have this type of sauce. Burger King's onion ring sauce. Their zesty sauce. But this,
There's a spice that I'm not recognizing.
it's more vinegary, right?
Yeah.
It's good, but don't expect to get like a Zaxby's or one of those zesty or what. This is more sours. Or no. Is vinegar a sour taste or?
Yeah.
The important thing is to just keep eating until you get to the end. Potato salad is good.
Yeah.
Jalapeno sauce, but
The French fries. Now, I'll be fair. You know, these have been sitting here, but the shape's unique. But even though they're spicy and I don't even tell, but it's just just like a different shape. But how they fried the
like the curly
pepper.
fries except in different shape.
Yeah, the curly fries from here,
Yeah.
which are coming from the same potatoes,
From the,
which are going in the same spot. You're right. It's
the
just
curly fries from the room service.
they're just changing their identity by remolding their shape. You're right. Those are the same fries. Betcha. The long, straight, normal fries are also from the same potato. Where do we go to eat next?
Dinner?
No, like where do we go to right now?
Oh,
We
no.
want to go eat some more.
Yeah.
So try some different places out.
No. Good.
Sure. There's a lot of places to eat here. Am I in this shot?
Yes.
All the way up to my head or almost up?
Yeah.
No, it's not. How much space above my head?
Okay, you know where that red thing is?
If you had a measuring stick that went from where the screen stops to where the picture starts, is that this much, this much, this much?
You know where that red thing is?
No.
That has the time?
I just,
Like this far from that.
how about that?
Okay, not the top of your head, just the top of your head.
Okay. I'll lower down.
Okay. You put it over here a little bit more. There you go. Now everything's